Hello friends, in this tutorial of Microsoft Word, you will learn how to create business cards in Microsoft Word. First of all, we will need to set page margins. So click Page Layout, then click Margins. After that, click Custom Margins. And from here, set the top margin to 0.5, bottom to 0.2, left to 0.5 and set the right margin 0.5. If there is anything wrong with the margins, there will be a dialog box appear. As you can see that, just click fix on it and everything will be fixed automatically. Now you can see that margin has been changed. Cursor has been moved towards left as the margin has been decreased. Now, next thing we will do is we will insert a table. Then finally we will remove the table or disappear the table. You will need a table of 2 by 5. Now select the whole table, right click on it, go to table properties. There are 5 different titles: table, row, column, cell. From here select center, then goes to row. Specify, check the specify height and set the height to 5.08 centimeter. Next. As I have 5 rows and now I'll have columns will be automatically set and click OK. Another thing you can do is click on cell, then from here select center and press OK. Now click home, or you can right click on the table. First of all, normally a card contains business name, business or company name. Sorry again, spelling mistake. Now click the home tab and from here select the center. Click next. You can change its font. I will make it bold. Now what will I do? You can type something other, for example any subtitle, or your products in which you deal. You can type here the products in which you deal. Then you can type contact number, or you can make it according to your needs, and then address of your business place. From here click next, and from here you will have to make it bold and increase its size to 12, and here increase its size to 18. Similarly increase its size to 24. Now again select it, click properties, and then from here in the cell you will have to select center, and now you can see that text has been placed in the center of the cell. Control C, copy it, then paste in all the cells. Now there is one problem, that address is not written at the center. Select it and send it to the center. Now you can put a background color. From here I select this color. I think this will be good enough. Then you can change the text color. I change the text color to white. Now I want to remove these borders from the table. Select the whole table, right click anywhere on the table, then table properties. Click table. From here, borders and shading. And from here, from the borders section, you will have to select none. Click OK, OK, and you can see that the borders of the table has been removed and you have got your business cards. So this is how you can create business cards in Microsoft Word. If this video helps you in any way, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Goodbye.